Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Hafizah binti Azli. My matric number is 272890. Today, I would like to present about our project. Our project entitled is Electricity Billing System. Electricity Billing System is an application that built 24-hour online service which can help people to complain about the service of the electricity billing system without go to the Tenaga Nasional Berhad. The aim of this project is to establish the total unit of electricity consumed, the total amount of charge for each block unit consumed, and the total amount of charge before and after 6% of service of tax and the total amount of charge that customer must have to pay. For this project, we are using software-based application, Java programming language to develop it. We hope our consumer or our customer will be happy when use this system.
Next, I will explain about user manual. First, customer have to download the MyTMB apps. Then, customers should choose the desired language, whether English or Bahasa Melayu, and click the button of Save Language. Next, customer have to register as a user. First, click register. Second, fill in the information such as name, IC number, phone number, email, and password. Third, enter the PIN sent via SMS for verification. Then, register to check the bill. Customer should fill the details to check the bill that have to pay and click view bill. Lastly, the apps will display the bill and customer will know how much they have to pay.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ajarna binti Zamri Ali. My matric number is 271463. Today I will explain about our project, which is electricity billing system. First of all, our public static or public class is electricity billing system. First of all, we must create a customer class for the list of customer, and then for customer to register that, we must create a public static void, which is menu. First, for this public, we create for customer to enter their option. When customer enter their option, which is number 1, this is for the register of new customer. Number 2 for the display bill. Number 3 for the search customer. Number 4 for edit customer details. Number 5 which is list all the customer data. And number 6 to exit from this application. For the public static void menu, we are use the switch method for the case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6. When the customer enter besides the number 1 until 6, we ask customer to enter the number 1 until 6 only. After that, when we create the public static void for the register customer, when customer choose the number 1. For this case, we are asked the details for the details of the customer. First, we are asked the name of the customer. After that, we ask the account number. In this case, account number must only not the same with the account number others person. When have the same account number with other person, we will ask the same question to customer to enter the account number. For the account number, customer must enter the 10 digits of the account number. When customer is entered not or less than or more than 10 digits, we will ask the same question to customer enter the account number. After that, we ask the address of the customer. After that, also we ask the current reading meter, and then we ask the previous reading meter. In this case, previous reading meter must less than current reading meter. If more than current reading meter, we will ask the same question to customer enter the previous reading meter. For the display bill, we create the public static void display bill. First of all, we ask the customer to enter their account number. When the account number is equally to the list account number, then we will display the total unit, which is we get the total unit from list I, calculate total unit, which is current meter minus the total minus the previous meter. We also display the amount of charge of each block consumed. For the first 200 kilowatt hour, we charge 0.218 ringgit per kilowatt hour. For the next 100 kilowatt hour, we charge 0.334 per kilowatt hour. For the 300 kilowatt hour, 0.516 ringgit per kilowatt hour. For the next 300, 0.546 per kilowatt hour. For the next kilowatt hour, we charge 0.571 ringgit per kilowatt hour. We display this amount for the customer to know about their charge. After that, we also display the total amount of electricity charged before tax. In this case, we get from the list I dot charge total unit. After that, we also display the total 6% service tax amount, which is we get from the list I tax charge count. The last one, we display the total amount of electricity after tax, which is we get from the list I charge after tax. Customer must pay the electricity bill based on the total amount of electricity after tax. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Adib bin Fauzi. For my metric number is 272693. Okay, for the search customer, the system will ask the customer, which is enter your account number. Then if the customer give the false account number, the system will appear the account number is not found, and please try again. The system also use array list, which is for the create new files, and for the edit customer details, the system will ask the names, address, current meter, and also previous meter. Okay, the system will ask the customer, please enter your new names, please enter your new address, please enter your new current meter, and also please enter the new previous meter. Is all for me. Thank you.
Public class customer, public string name, public integer account number, public string address, public integer current meter, public integer previous meter. Public customer, string n where n is name, integer n is account number, string a is address, integer cm is current meter, integer pm is previous meter. Public string get name, return name. Public integer get account number, return account number. Public string get address, return address. Public integer get current meter, return current meter. Public integer get previous meter, return previous meter. To display, we use system out print line for name, account number, home address, current meter reading, and previous meter reading. To calculate total unit, integer total unit minus equal to current meter minus previous meter. Public double charge equal to 0 if current meter minus previous meter less than or equal to 200. Charge current meter minus previous meter multiply with 0.218. Else if current meter minus previous meter more than 200 and less than or equal to 300, charge current meter minus previous meter minus 200 multiply with 0.334 plus 200 multiply with 0.218. Else if current meter minus previous meter more than 300 and less than or equal to 600, charge current meter 16 plus 200 multiply 0.218 plus 100 multiply with 0.334. Else if current meter minus previous meter more than 600 or and less than or equal to 900, charge current meter minus previous meter minus 600 multiply with 0.546 plus 200 minus plus 200 multiply with 0.218 plus 100 multiply with 0.334 plus 300 multiply with 0.516. Else if current meter minus previous meter more than 900 and less than or equal to 0.571, charge current meter minus previous meter minus 900 multiply with 0.571 plus 200 multiply with 0.218 plus 100 minus plus 100 multiply with 0.334 plus 300 multiply with 0.516 plus 300 multiply with 0.546.
I will continue to explain about the customer.java. For the public double text charge, we use if and else if statement because we want to compare the different conditions that stated in this source coding. There are 5 conditions that are stated in this source coding for the text charge. So after we wrote all the 5 conditions, we must use return charge statement. For the charge after text, we also use if and else if statement because we want to compare the different statement that stated in the source coding. In source coding, there are also 5 different conditions that stated. So after we write all of the 5 conditions, we must write return charge statement.